First of all, you see the result. Now to make this, you need these things. First, A4 sheet page, thread and staple. Follow step by step. Now your kite is ready. But you can do one thing also. You can attach two strips here to make it attractive. So I use sticky notes to make these. So cut it from half and stick at both end. You can also fuse without strip. It is only for good look. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.